Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, remote trunk release, navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.